Question 16, normal distribution. Particularly fruits' weights are normally distributed with a mean of 792 grams and a standard deviation of 7 grams. If a fruit is picked at random, then 12% of the time its weight will be greater than how many grams? Give your answer to the nearest gram. The answer is supposedly 800. Let's take a look. First off, we need the mu, the mean, 792, and the standard deviation, same units, grams, 7. Now, with our z-score tables, whether it's the negative z-score table or the positive z-score table, it is the area to the left of the z-score. Now, we have 12% of the time its weight will be greater. So we're dealing with this situation. 12% of the time it's greater. But that implies that the rest of the time, 1 minus 0.12 is 0.88. 0.88 is the probability left. That's what we need. So we're going to look up 0.88 in the table. 0.8849, 0.87, wait, it's better, 0.88. This case, these two numbers, the 0.8790 and the 0.8810, are equally far from 0.88. So either of these answers will be about the same error of approximation. Hopefully they give the answer to the nearest gram. Either one of these will work. So let's just work with the 0.8810. So we have 1.18. So we look up in the table, and from the 0.88, the z-score, and then we can work out the real world score by mu plus sigma z, which would be 792 plus sigma times 1.18. I don't mean sigma. Sigma is 7. Okay, to our calculator, we have 792 plus 7 times 1.18, and this should give us 800, rounded to the nearest gram. Now the other value would have been the same thing but 1.17. So had we gone with the other approximation, it would still round to the same nearest gram, 800. There's a way with your calculator. If you have the statistics inverse norm, we would do the 0.88 and then the mean, comma, and standard deviation, and it'll give us the exact answer, which should be in between the two we worked out. These two are both approximations to the left and to the right of the real answer, and sure enough, the real answer's in between. Still rounded to the nearest gram, 800. I hope this helps.